Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix an address on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the contribute icon down below. That's the fourth option. Click on the edit map icon indicated by the image of a pencil. And here at this page you should tap on the fix an address button. That's the second option. And drag the map to position the place that you want to fix the address of. And yeah, now you need to confirm the address details. So you need to select the country or region, town and city, add the street address and the postcode. Here you will be able to edit the map location by using this map. And if you are done with all this information, just tap on the button submit down below. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.